Hey everyone, I'm going to be making a fun seasonal fall cocktail, and it's going to be an apple cider mule. This is one of my favorite cocktails, especially when the weather gets a little bit cooler. It's a little bit more refreshing, a lot of that spice to it. It's just excellent. So first we're going to start with the Rhodium vodka. They are local to us, so they are located right in Pawtucket. They make fantastic products. Then we're gonna keep it local with Jaswell's Farm. Their apple cider, you can get this right at Dave's. And then we have Source Ginger Beer. Newport Craft Distillery actually makes this ginger beer. And then we're gonna move on to our garnishes. Simply Organic cinnamon sticks and our apple pie spices. And we have some local Macintosh apples that I have already pre-sliced. And then we have our great seasonal cocktail Moscow Mule mug. So in the Moscow Mule mug that already has ice in there, I am going to pour about 2 ounces of the vodka. I do have a jigger, and if you have one at home, you can certainly use it for exact measurement. You would just want to pour 2 ounces of the vodka. I'm actually just going to do a count. It's a little trick that bartenders use. I do have a pour spout, so it comes out a little bit slower, but I'm just going to go ahead and do a 2 count. All right, 1, 2. Perfect, that's my vodka. Then I'm gonna pour about 2/3 of the apple cider right in. And I'm gonna stop right there. And then I'm gonna just top off the cocktail with the ginger beer, leaving a little bit of room for my garnishes. I'm gonna give that a little stir. I'm gonna take my apple pie spices and just do a little over the top just to get all that flavor in there. And then I'm going to take my cinnamon stick and my apples just right in. And that is an apple cider mule. If you'd like to make this cocktail more as a mocktail without any alcohol, you could just make the cocktail without the vodka. You would pour a little bit more of the apple cider and top it off with the ginger beer and still use the same garnishes. Or if you'd like to make this cocktail a little bit spicier with a little bit of pumpkin added in, you could use the Old Smoky Moonshine. This is their pumpkin pie flavor. You could use about 2 ounces of this pumpkin and a smaller amount of the cider. Use the same garnishes and it would be amazing. So I hope you enjoy. Cheers!